Good morning, class 5th. Today I am going to explain chapter number 2 in your empty book, Inspiration. Yes, tell me, what do you understand by inspiration? Yes, inspiration. Okay, let me tell you. Inspiration means picking up good habits from others' life or their good activities. Let me explain this chapter. Moreover, in this chapter, we will take good examples from our day-to-day use or from our natural resources as well, like sun, earth, mountain, sea. These are some natural resources and we will take it as a inspiration form. Let me explain it to you how. In this chapter, Mrs. Rachna, she is a class teacher, asked the student about inspiration. First student was Shweta. She asked, "Does the sun teaches you any good lesson?" Then Shweta replied. She stood up and answered, "Ma'am, the sun is very dutiful and punctual." According to her, the sun is very dutiful, means on time and punctual. It never goes on leave and is never late. After Shweta, Rajat was asked to answer the same question. He answered, "Ma'am, the sun is always giving us. It does not take anything from anyone. Yet it gives us all heat and light. We all are alive because of its heat and light, else we will die." Then she replied, "Very good, children," and she put next example, and it was mountain. Asked Mrs. Rachna. This time Amit was asked to answer first. Amit answered, "Ma'am, we must learn from the mountain to stand tall and firm." She replied, "Very good, Amit. It is really a good answer. Please sit down." And she asked to sit down. Mrs. Rachna asked again, "Could you gather any lesson from the sea as well?" Means she wanted to know that anybody if know about the sea as an example about the sea. Then after that, Shweta replied emphatically, "Ma'am, the sea is very vast. It cannot be compared with any other thing for its vastness. Yet it is so clean and deep. Sea are so deep and clean." Yeah, you all know. We must learn a lesson that we should not be proud of our might. Very right, dear Shweta. You are really wise, praised Mrs. Rachna. Means Mrs. Rachna was very praised by her answer. Means she was very glad to hear her. But the sea is more than what you just said. It gives us a lot of things as well. Can any of you tell us more about the sea? Rajat raised his hand this time on being asked. He answered, "Ma'am, like the sun, the sea is also a bigger donor. It gives us many things like pearls, coral and cold, hilarious breeze. In return, it expects nothing from us." "Very good, Rajat," said Mrs. Rachna. Rajat sat down. "There is another important thing, that earth. Who can speak something about the earth?" asked Mrs. Rachna. Ankit began to speak. The earth consists of all the natural resources like water, air, sun, etc. All these natural resources are essential for all living beings. We get food, clothes and shelter from it. As you all know, food, clothes and shelter are important resources, and it also does not want anything from us in return. After that, Mrs. Rachna said, "Children, like the sun, the mountain, the sea and the earth, many natural things are there from which we can learn a lot. Remember, a good mind can learn a lot of good things from anything, and not so good mind a lot of bad things. Since all of you are going to be good citizen of India, you should get inspiration from all these natural resources. The nature is a good source of inspiration, so pick up the opportunities and collect as much good lesson as you can." She wanted to explain that good mind can learn a lot of good things. Means those people have a good mind, they learn good things from other, and those do not have, they won't. So always try to be good to others without expecting